The weather has been great, the DX has been poor, and I've had some time. All great conditions for working on my Redwood deck. Alright, I'm about a quarter of the way through my deck restoration. This is a Redwood deck, and I'm using Olympic 704 semi-transparent stain. That's a pressure washer I was using. Initially I had stain on there before with 717. It was kind of orangey, and I've been doing that for 10 years with 717, and heard the latest reports on 717, their new mix, and sounded more yellowish. I wasn't really very pleased with the orange, and yellow would definitely be a no-go, so I went with the 704, and I'm liking it. You know, when you apply it, it does look good, but it has to settle in a bit after a couple days, and you get a good idea what color you got. So there we can see the cleaned wood and a little bit of the old stain on there. I didn't get too crazy on really ripping all the old stain off, just getting all the loose stuff off. It's a 2550 PSI pressure washer that I used, so had enough power. So we can see how things are progressing, and how much more I've got to go. That's why I said only 25%. And I'm using a brush, as you can see, so it's taking longer, but I prefer the brush over anything else. Well, got phase 1 completed. Let's take a closer look. Looks pretty good. It was really windy yesterday, blowing around a lot of petals and other kind of stuff, but got the basic coat down. Comparison between the two. Yes, this is only half done. This deck was built about 30 years ago. On to phase 2. Get the other half there done. It'll be a lot more difficult, a lot more vertical there.